Chicken pasta recipe. Before we start this video, please subscribe to Cooking in Style and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's start the pasta recipe. gram vegetables, 1 large chopped onion, spices, 1½ cup tomato puree, 2 cups pasta, mix yogurt and vinegar in bowl. Now add the spices into the bowl. Mix all of these ingredients properly. Now mix these into the chicken. Marinate chicken for 40 minutes. Boil water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of oil. Add pasta and boil it for 10 minutes. Strain it. Then wash the pasta with cold water. Keep aside. Heat oil and add chopped onion. After 6 minutes, add marinated chicken. Cook for 4–5 minutes. Then add tomato puree. Cook until chicken is tender. Keep aside. Now fry vegetables. Keep aside. Add boiled pasta into the chicken. Now add the vegetables. And cook the vegetables for 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, the pasta is ready. Now dish it out and serve. This is a delicious pasta recipe. You should try it. Please subscribe to our channel Cooking in Style, like our videos, and share our videos to your friends and family. Remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.